GK Kids.
In a garden full of colors, under skies of blue, lived flowers that could whisper and butterflies that flew. The sun would paint the morning with golden shining beams, and every night the moon would glow and guard the land of dreams. The daisies danced in circles, the tulips twirled around, the roses sang a melody, a soft and gentle sound. The bees would buzz a rhythm, bizz like they had a tiny drum, and ants marched like soldiers keeping step, yum, yum, crumb, crumb. There were talking little mushrooms as tiny as can be, who told stories about raindrops and the secrets of the tree. The big oak tree was ancient, wiser than them all. He stood strong through every season, winter, spring, and fall. The caterpillars practiced yoga, stretching leaf to leaf, while grasshoppers played hopscotch, good fun though very brief. Ladybugs wore shiny coats with polka dot designs, and fireflies lit up lanterns in sparkling dotted lines. At night the stars would twinkle like diamonds in the sky. Owls hooted bedtime stories while dream clouds floated by. The wind would sing a lullaby, soft as pillow foam. Sleep tight, my little garden, it whispered as it roamed. Every creature loved each other, no matter big or small. In the magical garden of dreams, there's room for one and all. So close your eyes, my dear friend, it's time to drift and gleam, and visit that sweet garden inside your favorite